What's going on, my people? This is Javi and it's trivia time. Which Super Bowl was the most watched ever? What's the largest margin of victory in Super Bowl history? And which team has lost the most Super Bowls? Answers at the end of the show, but for right now, it's the ServiceMonster Show. Hey guys, by the way, before we get going, did you guys ever watch that movie like The Day After Tomorrow? Yeah, I heard they're doing a sequel right now in Chicago. No, but seriously, stay safe out there. As for the product update list, I know Adam touched on the quick ad last week. I'm going to be focusing this time on the activity screen and walking you guys through that and the main points of that as well. Also, there are a lot of new product features coming out, and naturally as that stuff comes out, there's going to be a lot of bugs. Here's a list of the most recent hot fixes that came out for those bugs, and I believe that was January 21st. Again, guys, thank you so much for your patience on that. And big shout out to our development team for working hard. So for the activity screen, let me show you how to get there first. On your navigator section, you want to hit on leads. And then from there, you want to go to the little pencil icon with activities. Once you're there, you want to go over to the upper right-hand side. You'll see a toggle between like grid view and panel view. You want to hit on panel view, and that will open up the activity screen. Guys, from there, this is where it all happens. So the first thing you're gonna do is choose a user that you're trying to view, the activities for that user. You can also add new activities from here as well. And you can complete the activity from here on that light blue color complete button. You can also make it show up on the schedule, on the lower right-hand side of that activity section. You can also see your progress on the right-hand side. Guys, if you have any questions about this new activity screen, please give us a call. We'd love to walk you through it. It can help a ton of you guys out. Personally, I love it. It's just a more visual way to kind of see what your day-to-day tasks are and push those out ahead. It's mostly internal activity things. So for office people in your company, for more admin people in your company, it's gonna bring a ton of value in my point of view. So moving on to Smug now. Matt, thank you so much for your question. Great question, by the way. I don't know if you're using Mobile 3 or Technician, but I do know that in Technician, when you're taking pictures, you can label the names of the pictures. So whether if it's before, after, whatever the case is, you can call them something so that you know what you're clicking or which one is which when you're trying to email that to your customer. Also, about sending those pictures to like a social media site, those pictures are actually organized under that specific invoice in ServiceMonster 6. So go find that invoice, and at the very top, you'll see a bunch of tabs. Hit on images, and all those images will be there. Download them to your computer, and then from there, you can upload them to your favorite app where you can do kind of like a collage before and after picture, right? So go ahead and, if you have any questions about that, Matt, or anybody else, give us a call. We'll make sure we help you out with that issue. So which Super Bowl had the most viewers ever? Number 49, Patriots versus Seahawks, 114 million views. That's a ton. Which Super Bowl had the largest margin of victory? That was number 24. Broncos versus the 49ers. 49ers demolishing the Broncos 55-10. Ouch. And lastly, which team has lost the most Super Bowls? That would be the Denver Broncos. They've lost 5 Super Bowls of the 8 that they've been to. So I guess they're the biggest loser, right? Hope I'm not hurting anybody's feeling. From everybody here at ServiceMonster, thank you so much for your attention. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a call if you have any questions. Peace.